Let's have some fun. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is your guy, Dr. Cortez D. And why am I giving this announcement? Well, first of all, I have books in my hand. My first one. My second one. My third one. Well, fourth one. Third. However, I have 5 publications, not because I am anything more than an author, but I am not the only author. I want to help you write your first book. I want to help you get the book that's been in your heart and your mind for so long. It's time to make this thing materialize. You can have it in your hand like this. How can we do that? Go to my website, drcortezdsIMS.com, register for the masterclass on how to produce your first book. I am not the only author. I refuse to believe that. So let's talk about anything that you have a dream on, right? Recipes, curriculum, self-help books, comical, children's books, whatever that book is, let's make this thing a reality, all right? So let's go ahead and register for the class. I want to welcome you step by step to get this thing done, and you're going to see your whole dream come to pass and be a reality in your hand for your friends, your family, and everybody you know, all right? Love you. Let's go ahead and do this.